Hello and welcome to another video. Well, one thing I would really like to fix in this car, as you can see right here, this is chipstone, stones that fly up from cars that drive in front of you. If you don't do anything about this, over time it can get worse, and in the winter all the road salt and everything gets in it. You might also run the risk of blasting it off with a high pressure washer. I also have it here, see? And here, there's really nothing you can do about it, but today I want to test something I found on Amazon. The company that made the original factory paint for my Opel, Schneeweiß. Let's see if it works, and if I'm able with the base paint and then the paint on top of it, that I'm able to close this and repair these spots myself. It'll save me a lot of money. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. This company produces the paint in Germany. So, Deutsche Gründlichkeit und Qualität. This is what you get in the package. I guess this you can hang around your keychain or around your neck to show off everybody how proud you are that you managed to get the result done. I'll put a letter with what you've ordered. Here it says in Dutch, the exact color code of my paint. And then the Germans have also included ein Zufrieden mit Ihrer Bestellung Zertifikat, some sort of coupon that you can use here, some detailed instructions how it works. I'll get to that later on. So altogether that makes a pretty good impression so far. And here we have, of course, what it's all about, the Klarlack. Klarlack, the transparent lack that goes on the top, actually the outside lack protector. And then underneath is also the factory white paint, Schneeweiß, Alpineweiß. This is not sponsored video. I paid this with my own money. I really wanted to fix these stones. I don't know how good it is. Let's find out outside and check out what's happening. So one of the first things you need to do, and what's written there, is that you make sure that you degrease these areas. I'm going to use a bit of Turtlewax Clearview. Spray it in the towel. So yeah. And then you can just only apply it where it needs to go, which is right here. There, guy. I'm so excited about this. If this works, yeah, I'll be really happy, because that saves so much money. And yeah, then, I mean, hopefully you don't have bigger scratches. But yeah, if it works, you're really able to verdammt this shadow. Then you can really fix parts on your car for cheap. I'll show you here at this one. Here it goes. So stabilize your hand, and then so yeah, see what happens. Just tip it. Be very, very patient. Very patient. So yeah. There, guy. And as you're tipping it, with every tip, the hairs of the applicator are pushing in itsy bitsy tiny bits of white paint. I mean, let's just believe what they say in the guide, that less is more. So I'll leave it to this. I'm already quite happy what it looks like. Now, to make sure that this Schneeweiß doesn't take off. What a wind here, yo, unbelievable. Every time I want to make some video, it starts blowing. That this doesn't blow away. It needs to now dry and get hard for 20 minutes. And then we're going to come back with the Klarlack. I'll finish the other spots here, and I'll see you in a few 20 minutes. So we're back outside, and here, as you can see, here. I mean, you can hardly see this even with your bare eyes now, but here is what I just fixed. If you put your finger on it and you know where it is, yeah, then you'll find it. But if I take it away, nobody will notice. And this already looks quite good, but this is the base coat. Now we're going to put the clear coat on top of it. Also here. Yeah. Here I had the biggie. Oh. here is a biggie. But this biggie also has been now completely sealed. And we're also going to apply clear coat on that one. And you go to the area and then you gently go over it. And I also go a bit on the edges itself. It's very easy. And this one here, I mean, I can hardly see it. I think it's very good result. Let's finish the rest off and see how it dries. Yeah, and as I opened this one up to hang it around my neck, because I feel so proud I managed to repair this, it actually smells. It's actually an air refresher. So that's a nice little extra that they give you. Yeah, I really like the sets of products. It was very easy to apply. Let's see on the outside what the result looks like in 20 minutes before I give my final conclusion. Yeah, and now we are back at home. Let's look at the spots. So this one here is drying out nicely. The Klarlack needs about 24 hours to dry. So here, this one looks the best, I think. What do you think? You can hardly see it. And then this one, oh, this one also looks really nice. I mean, only up close you'll see it. I think if the Klarlack hardens more, and if maybe in a little bit you go over it with a white wax or a mild polish, it'll look even better. So very happy with this. I can highly recommend it. I'll put links in the description. Cost me only €30, but to have all these spots repaired would cost way more. And now I have a lot of spare paint left. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, contact me. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.